Meaning of ill-fitting.
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 Ill-fitting. Ill-fitting is an adjective used to describe something that does not fit properly or comfortably. For example, ill-fitting clothes may be too tight, too loose, or simply uncomfortable to wear. Ill-fitting shoes may cause blisters or pain while walking. An ill-fitting puzzle piece may not fit into the larger picture correctly. When something is ill-fitting, it can often create problems or discomfort for the user. It is important to ensure that clothing, shoes, and other items fit properly to avoid potential issues.